Hello, Elaine here with Elaine's Creations, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make this sliding bunny card with the Easter bunny bundle. For this video I'm going to show you how to make this sliding bunny card. Isn't that cute? I'm using the Easter bunny bundle. The punch is currently not available but will be available in April, so you can still use the stamp set. And I had to fussy cut out the other bunny and the butterfly and the bird anyway, so might as well fussy cut this bunny too. I've used the clouds from the Playing in the Rain dies. The paper is from the Flowers and More Hostess Designer Series paper that is on page 90, the back of the mini catalog. So to start, I have a piece of Tahitian Tide, and this is 8.5 by 5.5, scored at 4 1/4 and cut in half. I'm just going to move all those over there. And then I have a piece of 3.5 by 5 1/4, 5 1/4 by 3.5 of the Flowers and More Designer Series paper. Next, I'm going to stamp the grass in Granny Apple Green all along this piece. I'm going to stamp the sentiment in Tahitian Tide on this little oval from the All That dies. Now I'm just going to trim along the edges of the grass. So this is the edge of my grass, and this is going to hide the slider part of the card. I'm going to use some foam strips to create the slider for the back of the card. I have a piece of 5.5 by 3/4 thick white cardstock, which is important. I also have a little window sheet that's about 2 inches by 1/2 inch, and that's going to be for the bunny. I'm going to use the Banners Pick-a-Punch to punch the end of my pull, just for a little bit of decoration. And the pull is going to slide to the left. So I'm just going to place my pull where it needs to go, and then I'm going to start building the channel with foam strips. So for the top of this, you don't want anything here because it will restrict the motion of this is my cat pepper, of the bunny, but we will put a little bit at the end here. Do you want to sit in my lap? Do you want to make a card? So I'm just going to place a dimensional at the end of this, and then I'm going to place this on the dimensional, and then this will slide our bunny back and forth. All right, so we have that, and then we have our sliding mechanism here. So I've already stamped, colored, and cut out our bunny in crumb cake, and I'm going to trim the window sheet down just a little bit more, and then make sure our bunny fits right there on the piece. And then I'll put a dimensional on the window sheet, and just hold it in place all the way back in. So my placement is a little bit off, so I'm going to So I want my bunny to just barely be in the grass. And there we go. Oh, okay. So now we can add our other bunny over here on the side. So I'm just going to use mini dimensionals to adhere this bunny so that we can put this bunny towards the top. And then this bunny is going to slide over. Ta-da! And then we have a little bird that sits on our bunny over here. So I just rolled up a glue dot. I can put our bird on. And then I'll roll up a glue dot for our butterfly. Super cute. So now I'm just going to add the sentiment and the clouds. And there is our sliding bunny card. If you would like this card kit, it's $30 plus $5 shipping and handling, or you can get it for free when you place a $50 order using my current host code. Just email me and let me know that you would like this Easter bunny card kit.